So welcome students. So in this question you're given 4 statements and you're asked to find which of these intervals are incorrectly matched with these functions corresponding to the increasing interval. So which of the following is not the increasing interval of the corresponding function? That's the question. So to do that, let us check each of these options. If you take the first option, so if I want the increasing interval of this function, so f dash of x has to be equal to 0. It is 3x square plus 12x. 3x square plus 12x has to be greater than 0. That is x square plus 4x has to be greater than 0. X square plus 4x has to be greater than 0. X into x plus 4 has to be greater than 0. That is, x should not lie between 0 and minus 4. That is, if you take the real number line, this is 0 and this is minus 4. So x has to lie outside 0 and minus 4. That is either here or here. So minus infinity to minus 4 is the increasing interval for this. There's no problem with this. This is okay. Now let us go to the second function. So if I want the increasing interval of this, the differentiation of this has to be equal to 0. That is 6x minus 2 has to be greater than 0. X is greater than 1 by 3. So the increasing interval is x greater than 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 to infinity. But here is given that the interval is minus infinity to 1 by 3. So this is wrong. So option B is incorrectly matched. But let us check the other options also. So if you take the third option, so if this is f of x, if I want the increasing interval, again I'll differentiate this and equate it to 0. This is first option. This is second option. Let's go for the third option. So 6x square minus 6x minus 12 is greater than 0. So x square minus x minus 2 is greater than 0. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is greater than 0. So x has to lie outside minus 1 and 2. That is, if I take minus 1 and 2, my x has to lie outside this. So 2 comma infinity is okay. 2 comma infinity is okay for this. Next, if you go to the fourth one, so let us differentiate this. So 3x square minus 6x plus 3 is greater than 0. X square minus 2x, x square minus 2x plus 1 is greater than 0. X minus 1 whole square is greater than 0, which is always true. Greater than or equal to 0, because I don't want strictly increasing, I just want increasing interval. So this is always true, that is minus infinity to infinity. This is always increasing. So all the 3 A, C, D are rightly matched, but option B is incorrectly matched. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.